in my destiny. And you saw things that no one else could see. You saved me when I was my worst enemy. It feels so good to be alive, just you and me tonight. Don't wake me up from this high. What a beautiful life. I heard your heart go mine, and then all the stars align. Don't wake me up from the side. What a beautiful life.
Your love and trust makes me a better person each and every day. You were there in my greatest challenges, and you encourage me to grow. You help me to believe in myself and become the person that I am today. In your arms and by your side, I know I can do anything.
It feels so good to be alive, just you and me tonight. Don't wake me up from the side. What a beautiful life. I heard your heart go.
Hindi ko masabi na formal na ligaw. Naging ano lang ako, consistent. Lagi ko siyang kinakausap, lagi kami lumalabas hanggang sa nabuo na yung ano namin, pagsasama. Nagkaroon na rin kami ng anak, kaya lalo pang tumibay yung aming pagsasama.
Napakilala ko pa siya sa father ko na namatay na. Kaya yun, natutuwa ako. Yun lang sa napakilala ko sa father ko. Siya yung napakasawa ko.
Sa una, hindi ko talaga ma-explain kung bakit siya eh. Pero sa kinatagalan, doon ko na pagtanto na hindi na ako makakakilala ng babaeng katulad niya.
Waking up to the morning sun shining on my face. It's a good day to have some fun, let my troubles fade away. Roll down.
Pangako ko sa kanya, hindi ko pa sasakitin ang ulo niya. Yung binibigay niya sa akin na pagmamalay, ko ibabalik. Araw-araw ko siya, kumbaga, liligawan ko siya araw-araw. Hanggang sa tumanda na kami.
It's gonna be a good day. No clouds are coming my way. Everything is alright. Soaking up the sunshine. It's gonna be a good day. 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 It's gonna be a good day.
Understanding kahit anong topa ko, nasasakyan niya.
Sasakyan kita sa lahat.
Hindi siya naiinis kahit na lagi ko siyang ginagalit.
Sasakyan kita. Basta't sasakyan mo rin ako. Sasakyan.
Kung ako daw, madaldal, si Jonathan, tahimik, kaya haswak na sok daw kami.
Sasakyan kita. Basta't sasakyan mo rin ako.
Lahat ng gusto ko, binibigay niya.
Sasakyan kita. Basta't sasakyan.
Yung love, yung hindi ko ma-explain. Basta may kilig. Kilig na gusto ko na siyang makasama habang buhay. Ka-schoolmate ko siya nung high school kami. Tapos marami nagkakakrush sa kanya. Isa na ako doon.
Hindi pa kami nagpapansinan.
Ilang years, nagkasakit siya. Tapos nagpa-check up siya sa OPD.
Doon kami nagka-connect. Tinulungan niya ako magpa-check up, tapos hanggang doon na nagsimula.
Mini-message na niya ako sa Facebook.
And I'm falling.
Maalalahanin siya eh, maasikaso. Lahat ng mga nakakalimutan ko na bagay, siya lagi nagpapaalala sa akin. Kaya madaling mahulog talaga yung loob mo sa kanya.
And I'm falling.
I Hi, Jonathan. Mahal. Eto na yun. Kakasal na tayo. Magiging okay tayo forever and ever with Kiyon. Taalagaan ko kayo ni Kiyon at nandito lang ako lagi sa tabi niyo. Number 1 kayo sa puso ko.
Today, standing here before you, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for every moment you've shared, every laugh, every challenge, every late night conversation, and even every disagreement that has made us stronger.
Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you right. Till our breath is gone and we can't hold on. I wanna love you right.
Looking forward to the future, I see a life filled with countless adventures, shared dreams, and endless love. I will cherish you, respect you, and grow with you. And our journey together is just beginning, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next. I love you, and I am honored to be your husband today and for all the days to come.
I wanna love you right. I wanna love you right. I wanna love you right.
I promise to love you for eternity and to trust you with my credit card. Jonathan, I am proud to call you my husband.
You may now kiss the bride.
And I'm falling.
Mapapangako sa kanya, hindi ko siya iiwan. Hanggang sa huling-huli, hindi na ako naghahanap ng iba dahil masaya na ako sa kanya, mahal na mahal ko siya.